Hey guys, just wanted to talk about our new release that we've sent out very recently for proposal templates. This is the first of our approval document templates that have been requested, definitely the most popular by far. So let's talk a little bit about how we can create those templates and how we can use those templates within Ressio. So to create new proposal templates, what I can do is go into company settings. So this is something that only account admins can do. And under templates, for the first time ever, you're going to see more than one tab. So if I go to templates, we now have the daily logs tab and we have proposals. And from here, I can create different proposal templates and I can have as many as I would like to. So when I create a new proposal template, I can give that proposal template a name. Maybe this is my pre-construction contract. And then from here, I can template the description box, the terms and conditions box, and how I show my data for that particular project. So I can say, maybe this is scope of work, something very basic here, terms and conditions. And then from here, because this is a pre-construction contract, maybe I don't want to show any data rows. I don't want to show any pricing information or choices, and I don't even want to show the cost summary. I just want to be able to send out a scope of work document, my pre-construction contract terms and conditions, that kind of stuff, and then send an actual construction contract with pricing information at another time. I can even template that all customers must sign. That way, if I have more than one customer, I can require that they both sign or all of them sign. And then all I would need to do here is hit save. So now I have created that new pre-construction contract, and to actually utilize it, and I can always come back and edit this if I want to change here. So I always have access to my different construction contracts. For example, I've got a remodel contract here that has all sorts of good information and things like that. And I've got my pre-construction contract. But if I go into a single project here in Ressio, and I go into the estimate section, when I go and actually create a new proposal, what you'll now see is on that create proposal page, I now have the apply a template ability here in the top right-hand corner. And so what I can do is I can come in and add my pre-construction contract template and hit apply. This is just letting me know that it's going to overwrite all my document settings, including the descriptions, just as a fail-safe in case. And then from here, it's added in my scope of work, my terms and conditions and description template language there. I can always modify or change these if I need to. And as you can see, it's already pre-formatted my proposal to only show the description in terms of and conditions and signature lines. So within Ressio, you can now do approval templates for proposals to start, more to come down the road. And from here, you can kind of make any changes and adjustments you need to. You can have multiple different template types for pre-construction contracts, scope of work, RFQs, like whatever you want to do for proposals. And then we'll be adding more in for our other approval document types in the not too distant future. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team or your coach. Thanks so much.